give you the Audi Symphony. It's been a while since I last played this one. Alright, let's switch that thing off. Alright guys, today's video is all about the globe. I got a new globe, this one blue. I'm gonna try put this one in there and see if it will actually work. This is the globe here. It's quite an expensive globe. I had to search around to find a good one. I mean a well-priced one. And the one I got was this one here. I don't know what this brand is. I've never seen it before. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and see how this one works out to be. And that's a brand right there. I have no idea if it's any good, but they tell me it's okay. I was hoping to get Philips or Bosch, but they didn't have any Philips or Bosch for my car. I'm sure you guys have missed this car. I know some of you guys only tune in to watch the Audi, and so I thought maybe I'll give you some quick close-ups of this car since it's been a long time. Keep in mind I haven't even washed this car yet. Probably about probably 2 months I haven't driven this car seriously, and therefore I haven't even washed it either. So if you look at it real close in high definition, you will see that it is dirty. But I want to release the video to you guys, post an update on how this car has been going. Got a bit of cobwebs there. I've added the front lip. Remember that one? I don't know if you remember me putting that on a few months ago. Actually, probably a year ago. I like the angle on the Audi. It's really nice. This particular shape, two-door S3. You can get these in A3 as well. A3 doesn't have the mirror, and they've got different wheels. So we've got a Tesla trying to steal the show, but it's okay. We know you're fast. This is a Series 2 Audi S3. It's got these lights here, 2002 model. But if you are a real fan of Audis and you know this particular model very well, you will notice at the front right here, these headlights don't belong on this car. This is a Series 1 headlight combination unit. This is a 2002 model. This car is a 2002, so normally it would have a single piece or a single unit headlight, where it's got the headlight with the indicator attached to it, like one piece. But this one's got the two-piece. It's been modified, obviously. It's not the original front. They're very, very expensive to replace when you break those glass. If you break those, and then you got your pull for your bonnet. You got your Recaro seats. You got your dome lamps, and you got some at the back as well. Looks like a blown one already. There should be two at the back in the ceiling. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox as well. And You got your sound system there. It's with a Bose speaker system. But today's video is all about this globe. That is the issue with this car. Engine is still looking clean. Gotta do some tidy up here. Yeah, I really just don't use this car enough. Now to change the globe, which is that round projector lamp, it's right back there, right in there. Look at that, cobwebs everywhere. Spiders must be living in there. And I've got, this is the connection for it. And to get the globe out properly with the cover, I gotta remove this battery. And to do that means I gotta undo this bolt, take off this clamp, shift the battery back a little bit and put the globe in. With these globes, this is the old one. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's blown in the middle. Right here, the little round ball inside is all gone smoky or cloudy, so it's not good. It's very, very important when you open the new packet to make sure you do not touch the actual glass part of the unit. So it looks like they've put it in the wrong way. Oh boy. But no choice. Make sure they match before you put them in. Look at the difference. It is a little bit different, and that's a difference there. Don't touch the glass because they won't last very long if you do. Now this one already I can see, I can understand why this one was so much cheaper. This one's definitely more expensive, so I'm thinking this one is not gonna last. Look inside there. It's very hollow in here, whereas this one is all filled in. Very solid piece. This one is very open. What do you know, guys? Disappointing result. Right now, what I have, the globe that they've sold me is actually blown. That's working. That one's still not working. And before I even put it in, I actually noticed it looked blown. So I'm now, I don't even know if I have enough time to take this back to the shop. I've put that in and it didn't work. Will they trust me that, guys, this is really disappointing. Oh, I've just spent close to about 50 bucks on a globe that I just paid money for a globe that's already blown. Now, this is so disappointing. I think the shop is about to close. I don't know what to do. Damn. I don't know if they're gonna believe me if I take it back and say this globe was already blown before you sold it to me, before I even put it in. I don't know if they're gonna believe me. I really don't know. As soon as I looked at it, the center part was cloudy, and